the angle of elevation of the top of a building. No, sorry, I'm reading the wrong one, I guess. I have to read
Ninth.
The
The
angle
angle
of
of elevation of a top.
the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter high, find the height of the building. After reading the question, I have not understood anything. Suppose, कुछ नहीं समझ आया हमें. We have just understood that there are two things. One is building and the another is tower. Please understand the question this way, then only you will be clear. We have just got to understand कि यहाँ पे दो चीजें हैं. एक है tower और एक है building. Since both tower and building are given, so they have to be 90 degree with the ground. But the interesting part here is I do not know whether this is tower or this is building. So for that we have to do some homework. What is that homework? Let's read the question again. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Again, I am not getting what is that. But मुझे एक और चीज यहाँ पे समझ आई है कि 8 फुट से from the foot of one, the angle of elevation is made for the other stop. Like from B, you are making angle of elevation at C, and from D, you are making angle of elevation at A. That is what I have understood. That from B to C, one angle is being made, right?
30 degree.
And from B to A, another angle is being made. I have understood this thing. Now, if I get to know which one should be 30 degrees, let me name it 1 and 2. If we can decide that whether angle 1 should be 30 or 60, then the things will be clear to us. And for this, we have to use common sense. See, beta, the distance between these two tower and building is same, right? Now, for this matter, I'll tell you one thing. You are standing here and you are looking at A, suppose, and after some time you are looking at B. The angle of elevation is being made in two cases. One is this, the another one is complete one. In which case the angle of elevation will be more? When you are looking at B or when you are looking at A? Looking at A. So likewise, which angle of elevation should be more? When you are looking at A or when you are looking at C?
Looking at C.
Which is taller?
C.
CD.
C. C is taller. So angle 1 should be 30 or 60.
60.
60.
Clear with the point?
Yes,
When you
ma'am.
are looking higher, the angle of elevation will be more. Now let's reread the question and get to know whether AB is building or height. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. Top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. That means from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So which is the foot of tower here?
D.
Yes, read the statement very, very carefully. From the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the building is 30 degree. So wherever 30 degree is being made, that is the foot of the tower. Yes, beta. So from here we
Yes,
get to
ma'am.
know that CD is tower and AB is building. Right? We are further given that the tower is 50-meter high. Find the height of the building. I want children, I want you all to reread the question understand the language, tally it with figure before I proceed. I'm giving you a minute for that. Meanwhile, I'm writing the introduction. Please tally it. Yes, children. Yes, beta. Are you clear with the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I
Yes,
proceed?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed? Now see,
Yes, ma'am.
interesting map we are going to follow. What is given, that has to be taken care of. Now you can see two right triangles are being formed, one like this, another like this. Now in these two right triangles, what is common?
Base.
BD.
Base is common and one thing is known. तो जो known चीज है उसकी help से we will find the base.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
And then in the second step, this base will be known, and with the help of the base, we shall find this height.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that is the plan of action.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Whatever
ma'am.
is given, with the help of that, find the base. Step 2, base will be known to us. With the help of that, find the height of the building. All right. So first, we are going to consider which triangle. In
Triangle.
right
CDB.
triangle,
CBD.
CDB. What happens? CD upon BD is equal to tan what?
60. Tan
60 degree.
60 degree.
Root 3.
So 50 meter
Base.
upon BD is equal to root 3,
√3.
Yes, ma'am.
which gives me
50
BD
√3.
equals to
BD
50.
is equal to 50 upon root 3.
I will not rationalize it at this step. I told you, whenever we have more to do, just pause there. Don't be in hurry to rationalize. बाद में करेंगे अभी हम. ठीक है? So next, let us consider ABD. Here we have AB upon BD is equal to tan 30, children. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do we get? AB is, let's say what it is. AB is to be calculated. BD, let it be
50
like,
upon root 3.
let it be like this only for the time being. Okay? Now this means AB is BD upon root 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children? And I know that my BD is 50 root 3. Are you with me at this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
BD
ma'am.
is 50 root 3 and this root 3 as it is. Now root 3 into root 3 gives you,
3.
3.
so AB is 50 upon 3, which we all can divide easily, 16.66. So thus, height of the building is, since 6 is repeating, I can put it as 0.67. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanshu, Priyansh. चलो भाई कर लो. एक गड़बड़ हो गई. I had to give question 7, 8 and I gave 8, 9. Never mind. It's okay.